Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for June 15th going into the 16th. Going to start off with natural gas. A maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below. We've been bullish since 272.50. And we've seen 627 ticks to the upside. A number of other bullish calls in here. Those were all on hold. Those are all off of hold now. On June 1st, we held exhaustion up above here at 338.70 and rolled over down to 301.70 today. However, we held this exhaustion area down below here and bounced out of it and took out this formation above at 311.90, which now warrants of decent strength. If we fell back down below that decently, that's going to warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 310.30, minus 1.5 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This could also be starting a whole new bullish structure here, which could exceed 600 ticks to the upside. We'll have to see. And crude oil tomorrow has a high likelihood of seeing range expansion. A maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below. That'll be more effective once/if we take out 84.15 in the process. The trade below 114.35 has brought in $35.38 of pressure. A number of other bearish calls in here. We did hold this exhaustion level right in here today, so we're just sort of hanging in there, which is also an exhaustion area. No, excuse that. I'm sorry. That's just a corrective exhaustion area, but it is premature for that to hold more than temporarily at this point. Decent trade back above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 86.71 to 86.72 tomorrow. That is going to warrant of decent strength, likely for at least $4 to $5. And the Brent, a maintained gap higher, will leave a minor bullish reversal below tomorrow. Tomorrow also has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. Excuse me, I didn't mean to say Brent, I meant to say RBOB, or unleaded gasoline. The trade below 352.26 brought in 60.77 cents of pressure. A number of other bearish calls in here. I won't go over all those. Decent trade back above this formation just above here, which is going to come in at 296.32, minus 1 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll warrant a decent strength, possibly a run up to 310 again or higher. Heating oil tomorrow has a high likelihood of seeing range expansion. We held exhaustion at 459.04 with a 461.29 high and rolled over $1.36.27 to the downside. A number of other bearish calls in here. We are holding exhaustion right now at 325.81 to 324.57. Bounced a little bit, although I do believe that is a temporary area to be holding. Decent trade above this formation above here, which is going to come in at 351.25, plus 1.4 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant decent strength. And the Brent tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. The maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below, and that'll be more effective if/when we take out 86.65 in the process. The trade below 113.13 brought in $30.61 of pressure. A A number of other bearish calls in here. I won't get into all these. Decent trade above 89.06. Minus 0.5 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warn of decent strength. And the gas oil tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. A maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below. That'll be more effective if/when we take out 96 or 963.75 in the process. Decent trade above 951.16. Plus 5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Starting at 8 o'clock p.m. will warn of decent strength. And the cadence going into tomorrow is the heating oil is the weakest of the three, the RBOB in the middle, and the crude the strongest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.